Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello! Today I am drawing this beautiful lipsticks. Watch the video till the end. We need orange color, green color, pink color, yellow color, purple color, red color. Let's start. Please subscribe. Lipsticks are so beautiful. It's smiley. Woo! It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Woo! Now I am drawing lips. I am drawing third lipstick. Woo! It's hard. Woo! It's flower. Woo! I am coloring with yellow marker. Woo! This is yellow lipstick. Blue color. Orange color. Red color.
The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Orange color.
Hickory dickory dock. The bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two. Away she flew. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock.
Green color. Pink color.
Hickory dickory dock. The dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three. Fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Blue color. Yellow color.
The bear sat by the clock. The clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock.
Purple color.
Hickory dickory dock. The bee buzzed round the clock. The clock
Green color.
she went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock. Tick tock, tick tock.
Pink color. If you like it, please subscribe.
The hen pecked at the clock.
Goodbye.